We're fixing up some hummus. This is homemade hummus here in a bowl. You can see it's done in such a way that, you know, there's a little bowl in the center, a little place in the center to put some goodies in. We've got some Pepitos frying up. So this is just some mint leaves rolled up. There we go. And so we're just putting a little bit of tasty goodies on top of the hummus, because if you add some pepitos, otherwise known as pumpkin seeds, and pistachios, and you toast them up, a little Berber, some mint leaves, basil, we're getting a little bit of olive oil in here. It makes it taste amazingly good, just oh so good. And you know, you can do this, you can buy store-bought hummus and do this. It's not hard to make your own hummus. We'll get into that later, but this is just how you dress your hummus up and get it ready to put it out. And if you're at a dinner party, you're invited to a potluck. When you do this, it just makes all the difference into having something that looks and tastes delicious. We're gonna add some fennel seed. Yep, gotta have that. And yeah, I mean, you can, it's whatever you like, really. A little salt and pepper is good. You know, it's really just your personal preference, but this is how we like ours.